season 2 finale. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 18th to the 22nd of April 2022 on Monday. Gugu catches Melusi kissing Tati. Phumlani makes a plan to get Sonto and Mazette released from jail. Melusi gladly delivers divorce papers to Gladys on Tuesday. Phumlani strangled Tati while Gugu is in her bedroom. Gladys makes a clean break from Melusi. Tati's family worry when they can't get hold of her on Wednesday. Melusi makes a call to Tati that put her life in more danger. Dumo threatened to kill Phumlani. Mazette goes on a quest to find out who M is on Thursday. Tati learns that Phumlani orders Jay to kill Melusi. Melusi is desperately looking for Tati on Friday. Gladys throws herself a divorce party. Melusi hands himself over the police. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.